time for us to leave Disney Sports Resort. But before we do, I'm going to give you a quick room tour and show you the room and everything that we've liked and not necessarily liked about it for the last 10 days we've been here. You alright? That's why we've got the suitcases, haven't we? So, this is room 3212, right at the end of the corridor on the second floor of the Hoops building in Sports Resort. And as you come in, first off you get a little, I don't know what it's like, an Amazon tablet thing that Disney has stories on and stuff. There you go. It's pretty cute, to be fair. Oh, I've started it doing something. One sec. Stop, Disney. Stop. There you go. Done that a few times. Anyway, and you get a little thing that helps you talk to you about what to do with it. Little bit of storage by the side of the bed. And on this side, this came in very, very handy little fridge where we've been putting drinks in and stuff to keep it cool. The aircon is up here, and controllers there. Your shoes on already? Oh, brilliant.
You haven't.
In here, I haven't yet, we've got some cups of tea and coffee making things with a hot water thing on there.
Yes, but we
Gonna be honest, haven't used this at all.
We forgot to pack up my gloves.
Oh, quick, you better need them, haven't you?
I better
That. Oh, we've got like a little biscuit tin thing here.
Are you doing it?
No, didn't even know it was there.
Here, Daddy.
That's our car keys, isn't it? Thank you. Then again, shelving, we use to store like bags and stuff when we come in from the door, put them there. This aircon is amazing. It does blow onto this bed though. This is like a fold-up bed. I'll try and show you in a minute. But when you're in this bed, you can feel the aircon blowing on you. So if you don't like a cold bed, not in there. Then over here, you've got a safe that is free to use, some spare pillows and a Bible, of course, because we are in America. But yeah, safe we used every single day. It was super easy to use and good for keeping stuff safe, obviously. 3 drawers to keep all the clothes in. We did 1 person each. That was enough storage space for us. Everything nice and folded neatly in there. And then you had a gap here, more storage between the 2 beds in the middle with TV remote, which I must say, I've loved it. We've been chilling out in the room, having like baseball and NFL on the TV.
And
great.
Disney.
And there's loads and loads of Disney stuff, but it has been amazing. More storage on this side. Lots and lots of plugs, though not everything worked. So we had the outlets work for the actual plug for the adapter. These 2 with like USB-C and USB normal wires didn't really work for us, which wasn't an issue. But just so you know, they maybe aren't always perfect, I guess. Then you've got some coat hooks, coat hangers in here, more hangers, space to hang stuff up, more storage up there, plenty of storage around the mirror for like toiletries, etc. Loads of storage in the bathroom, to be fair. We didn't use anywhere near all of this. And then in the toilet, you've got a sliding door that again we didn't really use, but you can use if you need a bit more privacy. In the bathroom, shower. Was a very, very good shower, to be fair. Nice and easy to control. Twist the thing to the right. The further around you go, the hotter it gets, effectively. And then on the tap for the sink, for the bath, pull it up, and then it comes out the shower instead. So nice and easy. And then and everything. There's an iron board and an iron in there. We didn't use that. We don't really iron. Where's the hairdryer? Is it in there too? Oh yeah, there's the hairdryer. There it is. So yeah, everything has been pretty good in here. I can't really complain. Biggest faults?
Thing is just the noise. It's not soundproof, is it?
No, it's not soundproof. So, it's generally not been. What's up, dude?
I loved Donald.
No, you didn't. He's just been zipped up inside the bag, nice and safe. But there he is. You got Donald.
Yeah.
Like this morning, there was someone upstairs bouncing a tennis ball or something as they were getting ready to go out in the morning. We were having a lie-in because we had a travel day today, so we got woken up. Yes, Noah, what would you like to tell them?
I think someone just flying to this holiday that have this room now.
I think they are, and that's why we need to leave in a minute.
Daddy, just zip that up.
I will in a second.
Okay.
What's that? It's over here. I put it over here. Yeah. So yeah, and like toilet flushes, you can hear other people flushing the toilet in rooms next door because the toilet flushes are ridiculously loud in America for some reason. But I can't massively complain. Like it's not been too. We've only been woken up a couple times. We've only heard it a little bit. Yes.
Mommy, little boy, are in my backpack and Paul's bed in that big room.
Perfect.
Right.
We're organised, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're ready to go.
The
aircon does work really, really well as well. When you come back in, it's like freezing cold, but it's exactly what you want from the 35 degrees of Floridian heat. Go on, polar bears.
Supposed to go in my
Oh, I know, dude. We just have to spread out a little bit for the space, but it's all right. You'll have it when we get home, okay?
Okay.
And yeah, light switches all work fine. There's toilet's got 2 light switches, so you've got one here, and again, there's little outlets I think next to it, and you've got one in for the shower area.
And we've got one
Tons of plugs. I mean,
door.
again, you've got 2 plugs and 2 USB wires over here. You've got 2 plugs and 2 USB wires over here. The doors here. You've got 2 plugs and 2 USB wires over here. And again, this light switch does kind of this side of things.
Daddy,
Oh yeah, there's more plugs back here. Oh! Didn't know there was a light switch there. There you go. Found that out after 10 days. Cute.
Daddy,
Yeah. I will leave it off.
Daddy.
But yeah, I think that's the room. So, Disney Sports Resort. Oh, and decorations on the wall. Huey, Dewey and Louie, Mickey Mouse and Donald.
And this is a chair.
That is a chair. That is important, isn't it?
And where's that table gone that we had?
We'll show them that in a sec. Shall we show them how to do it?
Yeah.
Here, if I put the camera on here. Last one me to kindly move. Zip your suitcase up.
Yeah. Open it up. Let me back my suitcase.
Then
No, Daddy, no. There's a bit more to zip up.
it's alright, we'll do that in a minute when we're done. So when we came in, this bed wasn't here. We were like, what? Where is it?
Look, Daddy.
Because
I did it.
there's the table, Noah. That's how you get the extra bed up. And then the chairs go with the table, don't they?
Yes. And I just did something that I wanted.
Did you sort those out too?
Yes. And I just need them.
Yeah, that'd be lovely. Like, if you didn't need the bed, wouldn't it?
If it was like just 2 of us
Yeah.
having a nice
Daddy.
little break.
Yeah.
So,
Would be nice.
I could just try and sit on it.
Are you going to try and sit on the chair?
All done.
Go on then. Right. So we are about to go start our travel day vlog. If you want to go watch how to fly home from Orlando to Gatwick on British Airways, go watch that one. And we'll see you all in England.